Hello students, this is Mrs. Raksha Shirodkar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Commerce and Science. In the last video we had completed with the instructions, that is from arithmetic group. We had completed with the increment operation, that is incrementing operations. With the three instructions we had completed, that is INR R, INR M and INX RP. Okay. So today we'll continue with the same subject, that is from Computer Science paper 2 chapter number 2 instruction set of 8085. We'll continue with the arithmetic group, and after the increment instruction comes the decrement instruction, that is instruction number 16. In the last video we had completed with total 15 instructions. Today we'll continue with the 16th one, that is 16th instruction is DCR-R. DCR-R, which stands for decrement the register content by 1, same as increment instruction. The only difference is it will increment instruction and it will get incremented by 1, and in decrement instruction it will get decremented by 1. So the format is R minus 1 and the result itself is stored in the register. R is nothing but the register. The addressing mode here will be register addressing mode. Why? Because there is R, only registers mentioned in the instruction. Then the groups will be the arithmetic group. Bytes will be 1 byte, since there is no operand or data in the instruction, so hence there is it is of 1 byte. Flags that will get affected will be except for carry flag, all the other flags, that is sign, zero, parity and auxiliary carry flag will get affected, same as the increment instruction. So how will you explain the comment, or how will you write the comment? So the same way as increment, the only difference you will write instead of increment, decrement. So you will say that the content of the register R is decremented by 1 and the result of the subtraction, that is the decrementation, is placed in the same register itself. All the other flags except for carry flag may get affected. Okay, so your R can be any of the register, that is A, B, C, D, E, H and L. Here I have taken an example as register which I have assumed as C. You can take any register. So I have assumed let C is equal to FFH, 8-bit data I have assumed. If you want, you can take D, E, H or L register with 8-bit data. So I have taken FFH, you can take any data that you want, and the instruction is DCRC. Now after executing this particular instruction, that is DCRC, before execution the data of C register was FFH. Now before execution the data was FFH. After executing this particular instruction, that is DCRC, the content of C will get decremented by 1. So hence after execution the content of C is equal to FEH. Here I have not shown any binary subtraction or any binary data, so you have to write it in the binary format compulsory. So F and F you will write in binary as 4 times 1 and again 4 times 1, so total 8 ones, and then you will decrement it by 1. So how will you do it? You will first write the binary format of FF and then you will subtract it by 1. Okay, so this is the same way as addition. Now the next instruction in the arithmetic group is the 17th one, that is DCRM, same as DCRR. So DCRM stands for decrement memory content by 1. The format is given as HL minus 1, correct? So whenever you see M in the instruction, you will write HL in the format or anywhere in the explanation. HL minus 1 and the result is stored in HL itself. So register indirect addressing mode. Why? Because there is M present in the instruction. Bytes will be 1 byte, since there is no data or operand present in the instruction. Then the group will be same, that is arithmetic group, and the flags that will get affected is, except for carry, all other flags will get affected, that is sign, zero, parity and AC. Okay, so how will you explain the comment? You will write as the content of the memory location whose address is stored in the HL register pair is decremented by 1 and the result is stored in the same place, that is in the HL register pair. All the other flags except for the carry flag may be affected, correct? So whenever you see M in the instruction, you always mention the sentence as the content of the memory location whose address is stored in the HL register pair is decremented by 1. Is stored in the HL register pair, and since it is a decrement operator, so hence you said that it is decremented by 1 and the result is stored in the HL register pair itself. So here I have taken an example as HL is equal to F050. Since it is a 16-bit data, you need to mention the 4 numbers, that is 16-bit data you need to show. And if you do not want to make it in 8-bit format, or if you do not want to assume it as 8-bit, we'll do. Why? Because we do not have to transfer anywhere in the accumulator or any of the other registers. Since we have to transfer it in the register pair itself, that is HL register pair itself, so we can keep it as it is, that is 16-bit. But if you assume it as 8-bit, they will not cut your marks. So anyhow, so if you're taking F050H, so after executing this instruction, that is after executing DCRM, the content of HL will be F049. Okay, and if you're taking it as 8-bit, now see here in the example I have assumed F050H as 05H, where H is a hexadecimal unit. So after executing DCRM instruction, the content of F050 is equal to 4H. It got decremented by 1. So here I have assumed as 8-bit. You can consider it as 16-bit also. If you do not consider it as 8-bit, they won't cut your marks. So the next instruction in this video is the last instruction of decrement. So we have total 3 increment instructions, 3 decrement instructions. Then we have 6 addition instructions, then 6 subtraction instructions, correct? So the next 18th instruction is DCXRP, which stands for decrement the register pair by 1. Now previously it used to decrement the registers only. So we have for incrementing operation also, we have the register pair incrementing operation, correct? So the operation name or the instruction name was INXRP. Here the decrement instruction name is DCXRP, same as increment. So how will you write the format? As RP minus 1, and the result will be stored in the RP. RP is nothing but the register pair. Addressing mode will be the arithmetic group itself. Group will be 1 byte, and flags that will get affected here will be none. And since there is a register pair, the flags will get affected is none. This you have to learn or you have to remember. Then the comment, the explanation you will write as the comment, the content of the register pair is decremented by 1. And the result of the decrementation or subtraction is stored in the register pair itself. No flags are affected. This instruction views the content of the register as 16-bit data. This line you can skip it. Only you can mention till no flags are affected here in this instruction. See, now you have to write the example even if they don't ask you. Since still you have to write these 5 things, that is format, addressing mode, group, bytes, flag, comment, that is nothing but the explanation, and the example compulsory, which will give you only 1 mark, but still you have to write everything. So the example here that I have assumed is HL pair as 16-bit data, which is F050H. So the instruction is INXH. Since INXH, in the last video I have told you all that if you are considering it as a register pair, you will only mention the initial letter, that is if it is HL register pair you will write H. If it is a BC register pair you will mention INX. The instruction should be DCXH. Okay, so by mistake I have written INXH. So DCXH it should be. So DCXH stands for decrement HL pair. If you are writing DCXB, it should be in decrement BC register pair. If you want DE pair, you will write DCXD, which stands for decrement DE register pair by 1. Okay. So after executing this instruction, what happens? The content of HL register pair, which was F050, will be F047. 4F, sorry. Okay, so after 4F comes 50. Okay, why? Because of F is the last hexadecimal number. After that comes 0, and after 4 comes 5. So hence 50. F050 is the number that we'll get after this, before this. So F050 is a 16-bit number, correct? If you want to assume it as 8-bit, that also will be fine. Okay, if you want to assume some other number 3, then you will write after executing this instruction the content of the HL register pair will be 2. Okay, since I have taken only 16 bits, so I have written the content also in 16 bits. So F050 is the before execution content of HL register pair. After executing this instruction, that is DCXH, you will write DCX instead of INX. Okay, so the content of HL will be F04F. It got decremented by 1, so before 5 comes 4, F will be the same, and before 0 comes F. Okay, so this was my last instruction in this particular video. We'll continue with the next instruction in the same group, since there is only 2 instructions which are left in this group, which are very important, so hence I have not put in this video. So thank you, students.